Hey, good. What? Hey, y'all. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mac Blizzy Black. And I'm back with another video, man. And today, coronavirus got stuck in the house, man. I'm bored as heck. But I'm trying to give y'all, some entertainment, you know what I mean? So, we're going to be hopping on Monkey today. Now, do me a favor if you haven't already. Scroll down, smash the like button, and hit subscribe too while you're at it. It is free, $99. It costs nothing. I promise you, it only takes a second, if that. But yeah, we're about to hop right on Monkey. Screen recording. 3, 2, 1. We live, baby. What is that? Hey, I had time. Where's Amarillo?
What? Wait. Fucking idiot. You're so we missed to California. You're so dumb. Wait, are you high? Are you high?
I like turtles.
We feel you.
Oh my God! Listen. I need y'all to do me a favor. So on a scale of 1 to 10, like what would you rate me?
10.
A 10? Hey, I'm messing with the vibe. I was expecting that. I was expecting her to give me a 10. I am a 10. Like, bruh. Anything less than that, total disrespect and delusion. Like, anything, yeah. I'm not, yeah. That last girl said I was a 7 or 8. I forgot what she said. But that other girl before her, delusional. She needs psychiatric help immediately. Yeah, but we're back on. Is it still recording? Okay, yeah, still recording. Alright, we're back on. From Canada.
You know why I'm a...
You okay? What? Add time.
I'm a guy.
What? What did she just... That was a dude? I for sure thought she was deaf. Or he was deaf. It. Okay, 2 girls. Okay. Oh, they're from Detroit. Oh, shit. Hey, what's good with you? At time.
I'm scared.
What else? I said at time. Oh, yeah, good.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today is going to be epic. Today we are arguing a monkey, guys. This is just going to be so epic. But first, I need you to love yourself. Because you should love yourself at all times.
Hey, hold up. I hate that you think you got me figured out. That's why you coming?
I haven't figured out. I'm just saying.
How'd you know? How'd you know I wasn't trying to get to know you?
This is a live studio audience. Everybody say, what the fuck you do? What the fuck you do?
Hey, you're funny. You're funny as fuck.
God.
You're funny as
This video
fuck.
gonna be epic.
You're funny as fuck. Hey, no, but I got a question for y'all.
What's the motherfucking do?
Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 10. You knew this was coming. You knew this was coming. Bruh.
What am I doing on the scale?
Like,
What
look.
is the scale?
Like 1 to 10. It's looks.
You know I'm rating you?
Yeah. You blew it. She was gonna say 10. I knew she was gonna say 10. You saw that when I said that. You saw how she looked, right? She was like, oh my gosh, you know you're 10. She had to check what the scale was. She was like, nigga, you done broke my scale. Shoot. Nami. Hey, what's good with you? At time. Alright, so listen. I got a question for you. On a scale of 1 to 10. What you got for your boy?
You know what? I give you a 0 for asking. Everybody asks.
What? What the fuck?
Come on, bro. A 10. A 10. What I said. Hey, what's good with y'all?
Nothing much. I'm bored.
Yeah, I feel you. Hey, I time.
Your phone.
Bet. Alright, so listen, I got a question. Hold on, how old are y'all?
20, 19.
Okay, bet. Alright, I got a question for y'all.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 19. Yeah. Alright, I got a question for y'all. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, just off looks, like what would you say off looks? 10. Oh, yeah, I knew. Yeah, I knew that.
7.
7. What? You heard the shit the first time. They tried to change the answer. They said 10 the first time. You guys heard that, right? Yeah, I had to hear that. Where the hell? I never heard these questions. Hey, at time. Where's Garland?
I don't know.
Isn't that where you stay?
No.
Oh, hold on. What did it just say you? Where did it say you from?
You said Maryville?
Oh shit, I'm tweaking. Is that in? Where is that at?
It's in Indiana.
Damn. Oh, okay. All right. So hold on. Can I see your face?
No, I'm ugly.
I am too. Let's just get it over. Like on the count of 3. Face reveal.
Alright.
All right. I feel like you don't hold me. All right. You got to do it. All right.
Alright.
All right. Bet. 1, 2, 3. In the book of misogyny, Galatians, chapter 12, verse 1, it says, never trust a bitch. May the church please say amen. I'm not gonna lie. That kind of hurt. That kind of hurt. I'm not gonna cap.
And who's that? Oh, it's Mr. MVP, Simp!
I feel like an idiot. Atlantic City. Imagine.
Yo, I had time if you play it.
I got you. You trying to? Why you play? Oh, really? Okay. Dang. When you look as good as me, man, you know, that's what you could expect. Bro, what is this? Can you hear me? Oh. You said you can hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, my fault. How old is you?
21.
Oh, my fault. It sounds like you're 12.
No.
Alright, listen, I got a question for you, though.
What?
I don't know, you probably heard this already, but, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me just off of looks?
5. Voice. Girl, shut up.
You said 5?
No, that was my cousin. Okay, hold on.
Oh.
8.5.
Oh, 8.5, okay. Okay, yeah, I'd take that. I'd take an 8.5. I don't know if you guys could tell, but she was kind of drunk. See, I can tell those kind of things. I have like a knack for that. I could tell she was kind of drunk. That's why she said that. Hey, add time.
What?
I said add time.
For what?
You said for what?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean for what? I'm trying to talk to you.
Okay, so talk.
See, we're down, buddy. You're not talking to me like that, man. Look alive. Lost your mind, bruh. Lost your mind, bruh. Lost your mind, bruh. I think I'm gonna do like 2 more. Cause it's clear, you know, a lot of these girls are delusional. So I'm gonna do 2 more. And then we call it a wrap, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, if you haven't already, and you this far into the video, smash that like button, man. Just smash it. Alright? God dang it, I didn't pass. Smash that like button for me. Y'all go ahead and comment.
Malcolm X?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's Malcolm X.
Dead. Or is it Mac Miller?
Or Mac Miller. I'm black. Add time.
Oh, you're vibing.
I don't know what's going on. I feel like they're for sure 12. I feel like they're for sure 12 years old. There's no way. Yeah. Nah. We didn't want to ask them anyway. I mean, yeah. That was the case. From now on, I think I might just pass on the girls that's 18. Because I don't really... Yeah, I'm starting not to trust it no more, you know. At first they started off fine, but now it's like, you know, the age is just, forget it. The age is going down, though. That's what I was trying to demonstrate with that hand. God dang it. If you made it to the end of the video, I'd like to thank you so much. And if you haven't already, man, you know what I'm about to say. You know what I'm about to say. So go do it. Go smash that like button. Go hit subscribe. We're on the road to 500 subs. That's the first step. 500 subs. Let's start soon. Yeah, go ahead on. Go crazy with the video. Go crazy. Go super. You feel me? Go crazy in them comments, you know. Whatever's on your mind, I want to hear it. Once again, man, thank y'all. DG does that. God dang it. Yeah, bro, we out.